Well, it might come as a surprise to you that many companies like Coca-Cola, Nike, Adidas, PepsiCo do not have their own manufacturing plants. These giant companies get their product manufactured on contract basis. And you, my friend, as an exporter can also do contract manufacturing for your buyer or as well as for your own portfolio. And in today's video, we are going to discuss it in detail and understand the two major ways through which you can approach contract manufacturing for exports. Well, this is Kunal welcoming you.
For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
The major hiccup which arises whenever we talk about contract manufacturing is that these manufacturing units, why would they take small orders? We are a new exporter, we are going into the market now, we do not have that bulk orders with us. So how the contract manufacturing works for us? Well guys, in today's global market, there are always options available to you. Not each and every manufacturer is a A-list manufacturer who will only produce in bulk. There are also small manufacturers who might be willing to do job work for you. So it is all about the research of the local suppliers. And if you want to know more about how to do market research and get a good product for your export business, do consider visiting our website www.jbsacademy.com and talk to our student counselor. They will guide you on which courses can help you become a smart logistician. Now coming back to the topic, there are two major ways through which you can do contract manufacturing. First is you completely give the order to the manufacturer. You tell him, boss, you purchase the raw material, you do the process, I'll give you my file, you do my branding, you do my packaging, give me the final product. I will not interfere in any process. The whole responsibility here goes to the manufacturer. Now in this case, your cost can be a little bit higher because the whole work is done by the manufacturer and he will charge for it. Other than that, the quality of the raw material used into your product is also into the hands of manufacturer because he is buying it, you are not supplying to it. So here, if you have small business and you just need your branding on the product, then this option is very viable. But if your product is very quality sensitive and you are pitching to your clients on quality, then you should go for the second option, in which you provide the raw material, you provide the branding material, you provide the packaging material, and just tell the manufacturer that we are going to use your facility to produce these goods. So in this case, all the raw materials are your headache, all the quality standards are your headache, just the process of creating the goods, that is outsourced to the manufacturer. So here the cost comes down as well as the quality control is very high. Well guys, also in my opinion, in both the cases, whether you give it completely to the manufacturer or you provide the material to the manufacturer so he provides you the final goods, you should always keep a supervisor who take cares about what the quality and the standard process is being followed to manufacture your goods and are they done as per your requirement. Because once the goods are produced and then you go back to the manufacturer and say, okay, this is not as per my requirement, I asked something else, it becomes a loss and a time consuming process for you as well as for the manufacturer, and the buyer who is willing to buy from you, he also suffers in it. So doing contract manufacturing is a very good idea. One should definitely consider it, but keeping a vigilant eye on it is very necessary and that should never be forsaken. Well, I hope you understood the topic in detail. If yes, then like our video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel to become a smart logistician. Well, this is Kunal signing off till next time.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.